Alright, so for a third brand, marami nang may alam nito. Skincare nowadays, very important siya. Hey, what's up? It's Friday again and I'm really excited about tonight because this box right here contains all the products that I was able to find throughout the quarantine period. So ever since Manila was placed on lockdown, marami akong napanood ng mga shopping haul videos. So meron tayong Shopee, Lazada, Amazon, may grocery shopping hauls, and even wet market hauls. So basically, I watch this kind of videos kasi I want to be aware of like the brands that are out there na hindi pa ako aware of. But through this parcel that I have right here, I hope to share with you guys all the products and all the brands that I was able to add to cart and eventually check out. This box right here, dumating to nung Sabado and I was able to open it already kasi I had to disinfect. But I never really had the chance to check everything out. So, if you're gonna notice, meron tayong like red tape dito na may shipping cart. I didn't purchase all the products through ShippingCart, but rather I shipped them from the US to the Philippines via ShippingCart. ShippingCart is a third-party courier service where you can ship your products or items from the US or the UK and here to Manila. Since most of the products I bought are based in the US, so I had everything shipped to their warehouse in California and eventually shipped here to Manila. So what I really like about ShippingCart is that whatever kung ano yung nandun sa invoice, once you check out all your items, yun yung babayaran nyo. Wala na kayong babayaran for customs or delivery fee pagdating dito ng items nyo sa Manila. Kung mapapansin nyo, meron tayong LBC logo here. It's because I think they have, I'm not sure, but I think they have like a partnership with LBC. So every package na isa-ship nyo, like from the UK or the US and here to Manila, door-to-door siyang darating sa inyo. Well, you can also opt for like pick-up. In my case, I don't want to go out, so door-to-door service ang kinuha natin. Sa video natin na to, I'm gonna be sharing with you guys 4 brands, 4 skincare, smartphone accessories, little accessories that you can use on a daily basis, and also a backpack. So for our first brand, we have something for your smartphone and accessory needs. Products from VRS Design Lab. I was able to get these products for price of 1, but I got 2 items. I bought a phone casing for my Note 9 and at the same time, a card wallet for my cards, basically. Mas madalas akong gumamit ng debit cards kaysa sa cash, kaya very important sa akin na merong mga card compartments or card slots or, you know, card wallets. Medyo mahaba yung history ko, like purchasing products from VRS Designs because this is not actually the first time na nag-order ako sa kanila. Meron akong order before last February na hindi dumating sa akin. So basically, this is the second time that I was able to order and thankfully dumating yung items only because I shipped it through ShippingCart. So the first time that I ordered, ginamit ko yung partner courier service nila, which I think is USPS. And eventually, once dumating yung items mo here sa Philippines, I think Philipost na yung magre-receive doon and sila yung responsible to deliver it to your, you know, address. Just to give an idea kung magkano yung each item, this casing cost about $35 or $36 yata. And for the card wallet naman, I think this is $38. Fortunately enough, I was able to only pay for the price of 1 kasi Memorial Day sale nung binili ko tong items na to. So I only paid a total of $38 kasama na yung taxes sa US, papunta yung shipping sa warehouse ng ShippingCart. Okay, so for our second brand, for ano na to, mga small puting things nyo na ginagamit ko on a daily basis. I have products from the ORBITKEY. Hindi na bago ang ORBITKEY for most people kasi available to dito sa Philippines eh. The only thing why I opted to buy abroad is because mas mura siya. But in my case, I was able to purchase 3 accessories for my key organizer, which is hindi pa dumarating. Darating siya by end of August. But for the accessories, I already have them. I have like multi-tool, and bottle openers. Nalaglag siya. So for our second brand, ORBITKEY, we have multi-tools, bottle openers, and key organizers. So for our third brand, we have The Ordinary, and I'm pretty sure na marami nang may alam kung ano to. Pero para saan to, because skincare is really important nowadays. Marami gumagamit nito dito sa Philippines. Mas nakatipid ako kasi mas mura talaga siya abroad. I bought 4 items for my skincare routine. Hindi ko na i-open kasi marami naman ng videos about it. Okay, so we're down to our last brand. The one that I am most excited about. Malaki yung ROI ko with this product kasi it's really an investment for me. The last time na nagpalit ako ng backpack was 6 years ago when I was still in college. Since new normal and I want something na, very durable, siyempre quality, I invested on a bag. So this is the backpack that I was talking about. So this is Air Fit Pack 2 that I purchased from Air SF. If you're gonna notice, medyo different siya. Hindi lang siya masyadong kita sa video, pero different siya from the usual backpack. The one that I got, meron siyang gym and work configuration. Meron pa akong parating ng isang parcel by end of August, and I hope I'll be able to share those with you as well. Basically, those are the products that I have for you guys for this video. Quick rundown lang tayo of what I was able to share with you guys. We have products or a backpack from Air SF for your, bags. We have phone casing and card wallets from VRS Design Lab. We also have skincare products from The Ordinary. And we have our key organizer na parating pa lang, but I have the accessories right here from ORBITKEY. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed this video and all the brands that I was able to share with you guys for today. This is it for me for now, and I hope to see you soon. Bye bye.